They have 4 rounds, and out of these 4 rounds, 3 rounds are completely based upon data structure algorithm skills. So Flipkart Grid is basically an annual hackathon that Flipkart conducts internship as well as full-time roles at Flipkart through this hackathon. Hi everyone, thank you so much for such an amazing response to all the videos that you're showing. I've initially started with one series that is Operation Theatre, and I have been thinking of making a video for the episode number 2 of this Operation Theatre series, and finally I've come up with the episode number 2, and it's a very special company that we have picked up today for the Operation Theatre 2. So in this Operation Theatre series, we have already discussed about American Express, where we talked about each and everything about that company, from its CTC, its profiles, like various on-campus opportunities available for that company, off-campus opportunities available for that company. We have discussed about its work balance, its work life, everything we have discussed from each and every aspect. So today I have brought with a very special company, that is Flipkart. So Flipkart, let me give you a brief about Flipkart. Almost everybody of us have either ordered on Flipkart or we are aware of Flipkart, but if we talk about Flipkart, it was a startup started in 2004, and it is currently headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. So when you talk about this company, it was started as a business selling books, but later on it turned out to be expanded its business, and it came out with various other products like fashion products, electronics, and groceries. Like each and everything now you can get on Flipkart. So when you talk about Flipkart's recruitment process, like what Flipkart asks in its interviews, what Flipkart asks in its tests, what is the level of Flipkart, what does the CTC it offers, what is the stipend, we'll discuss about each and everything with respect to Flipkart. Its overall review we are going to do in this video. So stay tuned with me in this video so that we can go ahead with the entire review of Flipkart. Now coming upon to the various profiles that Flipkart has for its software role. So the profile that Flipkart generally offers for freshers is software development engineer, that is SD profile. When you talk about it, offers it the same profile for full-time software engineers that it hires from the final year batch, and for pre-final year it hires interns for 2 months. That is also for the profile of software development engineer. So these are the two particular profiles that Flipkart generally hires for in the terms of freshers. Now, after knowing about the profiles, the most important thing that we are most excited about is the CTC as well as the stipend. So normally what CTC Flipkart offers is of 26 lakhs per annum. So 26 lakhs per annum is one of the most I would say very great CTC that Flipkart offers, and the base salary is also close to 18 lakhs. So, and when we divide the rest of the things, it's RSUs and some part in the form of joining bonus. So this is basically the breakup for Flipkart. Along with that, if we talk about stipend for 2 months in turn, so it's close to 36,000 per month. So that is also pretty much good. So overall, if we talk about in terms of stipend and compensation that Flipkart offered, it is amazing. The base salary is even more than any FAANG company. It's even more than Microsoft, it's more than Amazon. So in terms of base salary, Flipkart is at par with any other company. So after knowing the CTC as well as the profiles that Flipkart has, now we'll come upon to its recruitment procedure on campus. So when we talk about its recruitment procedure on campus or off campus, being a product based company, its major focus is upon data structure algorithms. When we talk about the percentage of data structure algorithm in its process, so it's close to 80 to 90%. They have 4 rounds, and out of these 4 rounds, 3 rounds are completely based upon data structure algorithm skills. Almost nothing else is asked in these 3 rounds. So we'll discuss about these rounds, what is there in these rounds, what are some of the important points that you should keep in mind while appearing for Flipkart, and what are some of the important questions or important topics that Flipkart asks in its interviews. So when we talk about the first round, so it is basically an online coding test, and it is conducted on a platform known as maybe HackerRank or AMCAT. So AMCAT is generally Aspiring Minds platform. So many companies conduct their tests on Aspiring Mind. So Flipkart also conducted test on this platform. So basically, what is the format? So you will be getting 3 questions, coding questions, and you will be getting around 1.5 hours to solve these 3 questions. So the questions that they give in this round are range from medium level lead code. They're also not directly medium level lead code, but you'll see there is a bit of modification in each of these questions, and they'll be generally something that you might not have seen before. A bit of modification in the previously seen questions will be there in these online coding test questions. So, and they have some hidden test cases as well as some visible test cases. So when we talk about the number of test cases, so the test cases range from around 20-21 test cases, and some of them you would be able to see, some of them you would not be able to see. So the very important thing is, after this round, so the shortlisting is done very strictly, that like they don't shortlist a lot of people, they shortlist very less people. So be careful with the online coding test. You should give it very carefully and very like I would say by knowing each and everything. So after the test, now like the interview rounds are scheduled. So when we talk about the interview rounds, it has 3 interview rounds. Out of these 3 interview rounds, 2 interviews are technical interview and 1 interview is HR interview. So when we talk about what is being asked in these technical interviews, and make sure that each interview round is an eliminating one. So those who clear round 1 will move to round 2 and so on. So basically like they'll not ensure that they'll take your introduction, like they'll take your they'll ask you about something in your resume, but what they'll do is you go to the interview round and you will be bombarded with questions of DS algos directly. Maybe you will be asked to write some pseudocodes, maybe you will be asked to write complete code for that program, or maybe you will be asked an approach for DS algo questions. So the interview rounds basically range from 45 minutes to 1 hour, and you have to write 2 to 3 data structure algorithm questions by the interview. And these questions mainly range from medium level lead code, like you might have seen these questions already, but a bit of practice is required from your end so that you can code it on the IDE that they have. So IDE that they use is Aspiring Minds coding meet platform. That is a code pair between you and the interviewer. The interviewer will be able to see your code, what you are writing, right? So this is basically the first technical interview, and second technical interview is also same. Like it's not necessary that they'll ask your introduction, but you will be directly asked upon DS algo. So the major focus of Flipkart, if we talk about in terms of hiring, is your problem solving skills, your data structure algorithms, nothing else. Next, when we move up on to the final round, that is the HR round. If you clear both these technical rounds as well, so you'll move on to the HR round. So in the HR round, basically what they'll ask is your resume. If you have done any previous internship, so they'll ask about your internship, they'll ask about your projects, what all projects you have done. So you should be well versed with the project, like which all technologies you have used in your projects, whether it was a group project or an individual project. So these are the things that you should keep in mind when you are giving your HR interview. So this was the overall process for Flipkart when it comes on campus. Talking about the preparation strategy, like you might have got an idea from the discussion about the entire process that the major focus is data structure algorithms. So what you need to do is you need to practice a lot of data structure algorithm questions from platforms like LeetCode, GFG, so that like the platform which is most suitable to you. Like it depends upon from individual to individual whatsoever you prefer. So basically, like if you are comfortable with medium level LeetCode questions, so you will be able to crack the coding questions as well as in the interview rounds of Flipkart. Next, when we talk about like I have also given a complete list of questions that have been asked in Flipkart interviews in various colleges that I have talked to. So you should go through these questions once as well, so that you can get a pretty better idea of how much difficulty level it is, like whether you are able to solve these questions or like you have seen these questions before. So do check out that link in the description below for all the previous year questions that I have found till now. I'll add on more questions if I get. Now coming up on to the next and the most important thing, that is off-campus opportunities in Flipkart for freshers. So if Flipkart doesn't visit your campus on campus for recruitment, so there are certain off-campus opportunities, but in these off-campus opportunities also there are some limitations of colleges, like they allow only certain colleges, but the list is a bit long for these colleges. So when we talk about the first off-campus opportunity, it's Flipkart Grid. So Flipkart Grid is basically an annual hackathon that Flipkart conducts. So basically it's a typical hackathon in which you will be given with some problem statements related to retail industry, related to e-commerce, related to various other things. So you need to submit a presentation and you will be shortlisted. After that there will be mentoring, there will be judging, and you will be finally selected. So the selected candidates will be offered internship as well as full-time roles at Flipkart through this hackathon. So this is one thing. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is a special diversity hiring program of Flipkart, that is Girls Wanna Code. So it is generally conducted in the month of February, and this Girls Wanna Code is basically a mentorship type of program in which first of all there will be a screening test of basic coding. You will be asked to clear the screening test. After that, you will be given certain things, like you will be given a mentorship for around 4 to 5 weeks under a mentor allotted from Flipkart. And after covering this mentorship program, like you'll be completing certain modules in various programming languages, like they'll prepare you for your interview. After that, you'll be given a chance to interview at Flipkart, and you will be offered a role at Flipkart after clearing these interviews. Maybe it can be internship role, or maybe it can be a full-time role. So this was all about the off-campus opportunities that Flipkart has. So now we know each and everything about the recruitment procedure of Flipkart. Now let's discuss about the work-life culture, work-life balance and work culture at Flipkart. So as I've talked to many people at Flipkart, so what I've got to know is they have an amazing work culture. Like nobody has disapproved of its work culture and work-life balance. They have very amazing office that I've heard of. So their office is also amazing. Their base salary is also amazing. So when you talk about the overall review of Flipkart in the terms of work-life balance, so it is well maintained, well furnished, and like everybody approves of its work-life balance. So don't worry if you are thinking of working at Flipkart. So its work culture and work-life balance is well maintained. I hope you got pretty much good insights into the entire recruitment procedure of Flipkart, on campus, off campus, its CTC, its profiles, its work-life balance. And one more important thing, I have mentioned in the description below a link with all the important questions that Flipkart has asked in the previous years. So go through these questions and like have an idea of what your preparation is till now if you're aiming at cracking Flipkart. For more such amazing videos and like this amazing content ahead, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. So good luck, bye bye.